Yes, say hi to Zylah because she will be in almost every video due to the fact that she do not want to be left alone. So this is my client Brianna, and we are going to use the bulb cap method, in which we're going to take the wig cap and glue it down to her head. And this would be more so for someone that wants their wig installation to last a long time, maybe over a week. Brianna usually just take her wig on and off. However, she wanted it to be installed to wear for about a week or so. So we're going to use this method. And I didn't show it, but I used the Got To Be gel to glue down the wig cap. And then you just take a blow dryer for a few minutes, and this way now I'm just cutting the excess of that wig cap. So this way, this protects your edges, your hairline. You don't have to worry about any adhesive getting onto your edges. We do not need that. Take care of your natural hair, ladies. Yes, 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 yes to the hairline. Do y'all see that hairline? Then I'm just going around the hairline and plucking it a little bit more, just to make it look a bit more natural. And ladies, when cutting your lace, you want to go into zigzag motion, just so that it can blend in with your hairline. And I'm just cutting the ear tab so that it wouldn't be over her ear. Your wig should not be covering your ears. And of course, for my application, my lace adhesive, I am using Boho Creme. And this is my favorite adhesive to use. Now y'all know we can't do a lace front wig without baby hairs, unless you request that you don't want it. But trust me, some baby hairs won't hurt. For the baby hairs, I'm just using some water in a spray bottle. I just spray some water onto the edges. That way it won't be hard. Your baby hair should not be hard or gelled down. And we add in a few more wand curls to the front. So the rest is like very self-explanatory. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please go ahead and subscribe. Keep up with me and Zylah, I should say. And I'll see you guys next time.